and welcome in to be our guest. And my guest today is Matt McElroy from Georgia Floors Direct. And Matt, we're going to tell a story because the lady that's doing all of our videoing here just had some luxury vinyl plank put into her house, and we actually have some video of it. And what they did is they took up some real wood, but it was engineered wood.
Yes, sir.
And put it down, and you cannot tell the difference.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes, sir. It's a really, vinyl plank is a really good product. Waterproof, very durable, holds up to scratches very well. Mm-hmm. It's a really good product. Yes, sir.
And the nice thing about it is they can give you the tone that you want, whether it be dark or light or.
Yes, sir. It comes in all kinds of colors, shades, styles, lots of different options. Yes, sir.
And the nice thing about that, especially if you have pets, is waterproof.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And so pets have accidents, and it helps with that, with the cleanup process.
And the interesting thing is they did multiple rooms in her house. They came in at 7:30 in the morning, took up the old, put down the new, and at 3:30, bye-bye, they were gone.
Yes, sir. We've got probably the best crew in Montgomery, and they definitely get in there and they get after it. They'll knock out your floors. They'll pull up. These were wood floors that we demoed. We put up plastic to keep it clean as best as possible, and then yes, sir, then install the LVP, and it's a really good looking floor.
And of course, like I say, for a lot of our viewers, they're in the process of either redoing a house because they don't want to move, or they maybe looking to downsize and look at another house, and they buy it. And you guys can come in and just do an estimate real quick.
Yes, sir. We'll give you a free estimate. Our install manager comes out, takes a look at it, gets back to us, lets us know what we need for the job. I mean, usually probably about a week turnaround time after a measurement. We can get over there and get started.
And of course, you could go online to look at everything about Georgia Floors Direct, but your warehouse and your facility, it doesn't look that big from the road, but it's big.
Yes, sir, it is. And we've got thousands of square feet of materials, carpet, LVP, wood, thousands of square feet.
And it's more important that they come in, obviously get up with somebody like you.
Yes, sir.
And then basically what they need to do is tell you what their needs are, and then you can show them the variety of options that they have.
That's right. Yes, sir. We'll each of our sales associates, they will walk each customer through what they need. They'll listen to what they've got going on, whether it's children, pets, and then, we will help them select a floor. The customer usually gets picks out a color in their range, and we definitely help them. And
of course, a lot of our viewers, they're still interested in carpet, and you've got a large variety of carpet.
Yes, sir. We actually just had a remnant package come in, and we've got some rather large remnants. We've got them marked down with very good price.
Well, that's great. It's good to know. Now, it's Georgia Floors Direct. You're located on the Eastern Boulevard, right across from Lowe's.
Yes, sir.
Been there for 50 years.
Yes, sir.
Hard to believe.
Yeah, I know.
There was nothing out there you weren't even around.
No, sir, I was not. No, sir.
You weren't even a thought at that point.
No, sir.
But now you're able to work with them. And, of course, you're open 6 days a week.
Yes, sir.
Monday through Saturday, open at
That's right.
9 o'clock in the morning, close at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
That's right. Yes, sir.
And basically, if you want information on hardwood, you can still do hardwood, right, if somebody wants it?
Yes, sir, absolutely. We've got we got a couple thousand feet of hardwood in stock. And then, if we have to order something, it's usually about a 3 to 5 day turnaround to get it here. And then, yes, sir, we can install hardwood or any floors you need.
Whatever they need. Well, Matt, thank you so much for coming. You remember, it's Georgia Floors Direct. They're on the Eastern Boulevard across from Lowe's. Go on in and see the vast variety that they have available for you. And we'll be right back right after this.